My name is Paul with Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're here to talk about reasons your dishwasher may not have drained. So you've run the dishwasher, you open the door, you're ready to take out clean dishes, and lo and behold, water in the bottom. What happened? Well, there's a few things you can check yourself in order to save a service call. One of the first things to check is whether or not you may have recently installed a garbage disposal. If you did, or someone just did replace your garbage disposal, make sure you check that they knocked out the plug where the dishwasher drain hose attaches to the garbage disposal. The other thing you can check is there any kind of restriction or damage to your drain hose? Between your dishwasher, your sink, and usually your garbage disposal is your drain hose. In some areas you may also have what's called a drain gap or an air gap, which we don't have in our area, but it's required code in some areas. So if you have this little air gap, that's another place to check. Make sure that the drain hose hasn't been smashed or kinked. Those places you find it most frequently is where it comes through the cabinet from one to the other. Maybe it's got a sharp bend on it, the hose has gotten warm and over time flattened. Look for any places where the two hoses have been connected together. You may find items have gotten in there and stuck. One of the things to do is put your dishwasher into a drain, put your hand into the sink and see if you can feel any water coming through there, or listen for water. That way you'll know whether your dishwasher is even pumping the water or not. If it's not pumping in any fashion at all, or you can't hear the pump run, you may have a problem internally with the machine.